My name is Judith Paola Neira Barbosa. Midrean Leafy in 10 years. Inter year y imagen Livy in beautiful and peaceful city. Susurrun that be nature in bowling to lie in and comfortable. Of with me dogs because they are part of my family. I make me very happy. Hey, hoy, doy exercise, soy will live near park or mountain where I can run and speak. Timmy outdoors. In tech city in tech future with clear gear and smart tear with Bemol 3 where public transportación and less pollution people with use renewable energy and technology with help take care of the environment. It takes future. It hope to have it go as environment mental engineer igual to work progress that proyección nature I improve the quality of life for people. Future hope with more flexible, creative, and connected technology. Our people to work from and where interwork. Relationship will also family and friends will stay connected to wrong technology even if they live far and wide relationship with more global and teamwork. However, in believe that respect and communication will always be the most important thing. 1201. Midran leaks in that future will be full of learning, travel, and net experiences, and what to lie in a world where perhaps technology work to get to where prop and to her to protect our pan and build better future for event. Tal Joe.